Yeah, it looks good on day 1. But what does it look like on day 30? That's what we all want to know. And that's what I'm going to tell y'all. I'm spilling the tea. You know, it's funny with this hair because I love it, and there's some things about it that just drive me crazy. Just so annoying.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk.
So y'all, this is my 4-week review of these Eayon human hair boho braids. So I installed the hair on June 9th and today is July 9th. So it's exactly 4 weeks. And y'all, this review is gonna be short and sweet because we're getting ready to go to Vegas for my birthday. And I have to take these braids out, unbraid my hair, wash my hair, rebraid it, and install my next set of crochet braids, which is also from Eayon. So follow me on IG and TikTok so you can see all of my pictures. But yeah, we always go somewhere for my birthday. So I gotta put in my birthday hair. So this is what the hair looks like 4 weeks in, right? It still looks pretty good, right? But you can tell it has a lot more frizz than it had on day 1. And this morning I spritzed the hair with my water conditioner mix and added some mousse, and this is always how it looks at the end of the day. And the hair still looks good to me, so it's not a deal breaker. I'm just surprised by the frizz with this being human hair. I was expecting it to look the same as it did on day 1. And the thing is, even when I wash it, so I've washed the hair once or twice. I washed it before I installed it, and I've washed it once or twice. So I shampooed and conditioned it and put on some leave-in conditioner. And then in the mornings I just spritz it with the water and add some mousse and go on about my business, right? But this is how the hair always looks at the end of the day. So that's my con. That's my one con. Now right now it's not as frizzy as it normally is because this morning I decided to try the Pattern Detangling Nectar and this Mousse Def texture foam to add some more shine and try to contain the frizz. So it does look a little bit better than it normally does. I think for this hair, you're gonna need something a little bit heavier than the Lotta Body. The good thing is it doesn't mat and tangle. So you can see I can run my fingers through all the strands. And so you do get a lot of styling options with this hair. So that's a good thing. And the only other con I have about this hair is it's too bulky. So it's not heavy, right? It's very light. But when I say bulky, what I mean is, so if I wear this in the pool, right? I get in the pool and I want to just get out of the pool and then put my hair in a top knot. The top knot is very heavy. It's cute, but it won't really stay, right? Like it's staying now, but once you start doing stuff, it just doesn't stay in place, okay? It's really heavy. So would I install the hair again? I don't know. I'm in a quandary about that. I might, but definitely not for a beach vacation. It's too much. But I'll probably give the hair a 7. I'll give it a 7. Sometimes the extra frizz is because of the color, right? So if you try this in one of the natural colors, like a 1B or a 4, let me know what your experience was like with it. I'm curious to see if that hair wore a little bit better than this, even though this one isn't bad. So anyway, guys, that's my review and my thoughts of the Eayon Boho human hair crochet braids. If I forgot to mention anything or y'all got questions, drop them in the comments, okay? Hair details and the link is below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I gotta get out of here because I got stuff to do. Love you guys.